Do you suffer from low back pain? If so, you're not alone. Studies show that most people do suffer from back pain at some point in their lives. And we also know that exercise can help. So today I'm going to show you the top stretches that you can do to help relieve low back pain. If that sounds good, then stick around. Hi, I'm Kathy from Simple Fit Physical Therapy, where I teach simple tips and tricks to help you stay strong or regain your strength. If you have any pre-existing injuries or conditions, please check with your healthcare provider before starting any new exercises. And you should know that with these stretches, they should not cause pain. Stop immediately if you do experience pain with these stretches, especially if it's a sharp pain. For the first four stretches, I want you to hold them 20 to 30 seconds each. We'll repeat 3 times on each side of the body. In case you're wondering, Jersey is with me today. Aren't you, girl? The first stretch we're going to do today is a seated quadratus lumborum stretch. The quadratus lumborum is a muscle in the sides of your lower back. To do this, we're going to reach overhead to the opposite side that we're stretching and rotate away. And then I'm planting my left hip into the chair to help me stabilize and get a better stretch. Now we're going to stretch the right side by reaching to the left. So I'm going to reach to the left, rotate to the left, making sure I'm keeping my right hip planted firmly on the chair. The next stretch is a double knee to chest stretch. This is going to stretch the muscles of the lower back. I'm going to lie down on my mat and bring both knees towards my chest. Then I'm going to gently hug my knees to my chest to help round out the lower back. While I'm stretching, I'm making sure to breathe normally. In between each repetition, I'll just relax back a little bit and then repeat. If bringing both knees to your chest is too difficult, you can just do a single knee to chest. With this one, I'm just hugging my knee toward my chest and holding, making sure that I maintain normal breathing. And then we'll switch and do the other leg. You can test to see which one of these is more comfortable for you. The next stretch is also done on the floor, and it's a lower trunk rotation stretch. For this one, I'm just going to stabilize with my hands on the floor and let my knees gently down to the side. I'm going to hold this stretch as we did previously, 20 to 30 seconds. Bring my knees to the center, pause for just a moment, and then lower down to the left. When you're doing these, you want to make sure you maintain control. You don't want to go back and forth like a windshield wiper. The next exercise I'm going to do on my hands and knees. I'm going to get into position, making sure my hands and my knees are about 4 to 6 inches apart. I'm going to slowly let my hips lower down to my feet and feel the stretch all through my back. I'm going to hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds. At the end of the repetition, I'm going to go back to the first position, and then I'm going to repeat. The next exercise is also done on our hands and knees, and it is the cat-cow stretch. So we're going to get back into that position where our hands and knees are 4 to 6 inches apart. For the first portion of this exercise, I'm going to round out my back, tucking my tailbone, and bringing my chin down. I'm only going to hold this 10 to 15 seconds, and then I'm going to arch my back, bringing my head up, and then go back down into the flexed position. making sure to really tuck in that tailbone and then arching your back. I hope you found these stretches helpful. If you did, you might enjoy this video here. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you again soon.